Are you dreaming of a successful career in finance and wondering which degree in the UK can help you get there? Let's find out. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So now listen, if you're thinking about studying finance in the UK, it could be overwhelming to know which degree will help you the most. So, you might wonder, what's the best path for me? Don't worry, I've got you covered. A popular choice is a degree in finance, which teaches you all about money, investments, and how businesses make smart financial decisions. Another great option is accounting, which focuses on numbers and helps businesses stay on track. Now, for those who love solving problems and working with data, an economics degree is perfect, okay? It's going to help you understand how the whole world of money works, okay? Now, these degrees, they're great because they open the doors to exciting jobs like, being a financial analyst, an investment banker, an accountant. And the best part, studying finance in the UK means that you're going to learn from some of the top universities in the world, okay? So what are you waiting for? Hit the like and subscribe button if this helps you out just a little. Love you.